Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to use ClickUp templates to save time, improve productivity, and of course, streamline your workflows. So here guys, whether you are managing tasks, tracking projects, or collaborating with a team, this website, the ClickUp's pre-made templates, can help you set up your workspace in just a few clicks. So what you will learn in this video guys is what ClickUp templates are and why they are useful, how to find and apply ClickUp templates, and of course, how to customize them for your specific needs. So what are ClickUp templates guys? These are the ClickUp templates or pre-designed task structures that help you quickly set up your workspace for different types of projects, such as project management, marketing campaigns, sales tracking, and personal productivity. So instead of starting from scratch, you can use these templates to get a head start with ready-made lists, statuses, views, and automation. So pro tip here guys, this website provides both pre-made templates and allows you to create custom templates for your own needs. So here guys, the first thing you need to do here is to open this website, the ClickUp, and of course go to your workspace. So here, as you can see here, so you just need to click the templates button in the sidebar or open a space folder or list. Click browse templates to explore different options. So there guys, there are types of ClickUp templates. You can use space templates. So here, it is a full workspace setup, so this is very ideal for larger projects. And when we say folder templates, this is group lists for specific projects. And here in list template guys, this is very perfect for task management and the tracking. While the task template guys, this is reusable task structures for repetitive work. And the last one is the view templates. So here you can custom views like Kanban boards or the calendar. So here guys, the pro tip here is you can use lists or task templates if you frequently work on similar projects, so you don't have to recreate them every time. So by applying a ClickUp template guys, you need to choose the template that best fits your needs. So you can click use template and select where you want to apply it. For example, the space, folder, or the list. And then when it comes to customizing the settings, you can adjust task statuses to do, in progress, or done. And of course, you can modify assignees and the due dates there. So in adding any custom fields guys, you can also customize that on your settings, which is for example, priority levels, progress tracking, and click apply to integrate it into your workspace. So here, you'll be able to see this one guys. So now your workspace is instantly set up with structured lists and tasks. Let's go to customizing a ClickUp template. So even though templates provide a great starting point, you will likely need to make some changes to fit your workflow. So here, there are ways to customize your template here guys. You can edit the task name and the description, so there are update task details to reflect your project. And you can also modify task statuses. You can change labels like in review or pending approval. And of course, in adjusting views, you can use the list view, the Kanban, or calendar to match your workflow. You can also set up automations, which is you can add rules to automate repetitive tasks like auto-assigning tasks when they are created. And add dependencies, link the task to indicate which one must be completed first. So here guys, the ClickUp allows you to save different versions of your template, so you can have different setups for different projects. So while creating and saving your own ClickUp templates guys, if you've created a workflow that works well for you, you can turn it into a reusable template. So you'll be able to see there a 3 dots next to space, or folder or list. So there you can select save as template, and you can also name your template and add a description. So choose what to include, for example, the task, statuses, assignees, and the custom fields. So there, you just need to click and access it anytime from your template library. So now guys, you can now reuse this structure without having to manually set it up again. And if you manage a team, create a standardized templates for common projects so everyone follows the same workflow. So in managing and updating the templates, don't worry guys, to update and save a template, you just need to open it to your template library and then find the template you want to edit. And once you're done, you just need to click update template and make your changes. So there, save the updated version for future use. So to delete or archive old template guys, you just need to go to templates, manage templates, and delete any templates you no longer need. Archive older version to keep things organized. So of course guys, you need to keep your template list organized by categorizing them based on project type. And of course, bonus tip guys, you can use templates for recurring tasks. You can share templates with your team. And here guys, when you share templates with your team, you have a standardized workflows for consistent project management. And in using templates guys, you need to have a perfect weekly reports, team check-ins, or content planning. And here on this ClickUp guys, you can have your combination of multiple templates. So here you can merge different templates to create a customized workflow. And you can also integrate this with automations, auto-assign tasks, set deadlines, and notify team members. And test and refine, you can experiment with different templates and modify them to optimize efficiency. So here, as you can see here, and that's it guys. Now you know how to find, apply, customize, and save ClickUp templates to boost productivity. And of course guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment below if you have any questions or video requests. Of course, subscribe for more ClickUp and productivity tutorial, and see you in the next video guys. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.